Hey guys, today I'm going to show you where the keyless entry code is on this 2008 Mercury Mariner. Be the same as the Ford Escapes. So if this video is helpful to you, smash that thumbs up button and comment below. Alright, so we're looking for the code to do the keyless entry. And it's going to be located on the security box that's right underneath the console here. So we are going to pop up this little bezel here. Alright, now after we've got that bezel out, we're going to take this center console piece here out, and then we're going to pry up. We're removing this plastic center console piece here. We start just prying up right here. And we're just going to work this around and pop it all the way out. Alright, so you can pull this up pretty easy. Couple pieces, a couple clips to pop out here, but wiggles out pretty easy. See, there's one snap right there, one down there. All right, so you can see right there is our smart junction box, and there's a code right here on the label down here. That's the code you want. Try to get a close up. All right, so you can see the upside down, 62236. That is your code. Mine's been changed by a previous owner, but that's where the location is. Alrighty, so if this video to find your code was helpful, can you smash that thumbs up button and comment below? Really helps me out a lot.